Hey snack lovers, welcome back to Taste the Globe, the place where we celebrate all International Food Days, one delicious bite at a time. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most indulgent days of the year, National Junk Food Day, celebrated every July 21st. Whether you're into chips, donuts, fries, or soda, today is all about satisfying those cravings without a shred of guilt. National Junk Food Day is your permission slip to forget the kale and green smoothies and embrace the glorious world of salty, sweet, and deep-fried goodness. It's an unofficial holiday that foodies and snack fans have fully embraced over the years. While no one knows exactly who started it, National Junk Food Day gained traction in the early 2000s, thanks to food bloggers, social media, and the rise of quirky national food days. And we're not mad about it. So, what counts as junk food? Potato chips, candy bars, burgers and fries, donuts, soda, cheese puffs, chocolate-covered anything. Is your favorite on the list? Basically, if your dentist or dietitian gives you the side-eye for it, it's fair game today. Why we love it? Nostalgia. Who doesn't remember Saturday cartoons and sugary cereal? Convenience. Simply grab and go. Perfection. Flavor explosions. Salty, sweet, spicy, crunchy. What's not to love? And of course, guilt-free indulgence. Just for today. 10 fun ways to celebrate. 1. Make a junk food charcuterie board. Fill it with chips, candies, snack cakes, and even Pop-Tarts. Yes, we said it. 2. Try snacks from around the world. Ever had Korean honey butter chips or Indian masala kurkure? 3. Host a junk food movie night. Popcorn plus pizza rolls plus a 90s movie equals the perfect cheat day combo. 4. Build a junk food cake. Donuts plus cookies plus candy equals no regrets. 5. Post your faves online. Join the fun with hashtag National Junk Food Day and flex your snack stack. 6. Visit a diner or fast food joint. Milkshakes, fries, burgers, support local and indulge. 7. Cook junk food inspired dishes. Cheetos mac and cheese? Cola cupcakes? Yes and yes. 8. Throw a junk food potluck. Every friend brings their fave. You win, no matter what. 9. Play junk food trivia. Who invented the potato chip? Test your snack IQ. 10. Build a snack tower. Stack, snack, and snap a photo before it tumbles. Need some inspiration? Here are 10 over-the-top, ridiculously tasty treats you can make today. Links in the description below. Homemade Twinkies, deep-fried Oreos, loaded nachos, Cheetos mac and cheese, bacon-wrapped mozzarella sticks, copycat McDonald's fries, pizza bagels, homemade Pop-Tarts, chili cheese fries, chocolate chip cookie dough bars. Alright Snack Squad, now it's your turn. Grab your favorite treat and make the most of this delicious day. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your go-to junk food. This is Taste the Globe, and we celebrate all International Food Days, one bite at a time. See you in the next craving. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food holiday fun every week.